Alright, we're out here again in the woods. It's a hot one today. We're trekking here, we've got Javon with us again. Winston's around here somewhere. And we're just trekking to our campsite to do the second episode of the Camp Beanie Weenies. Hopefully we can find it again because it's off the beaten path. So yeah, it's already working up a sweat today. I don't know how the temperature is, I think it's like a high of 85 today. You got anything to say, Bax? No?
I know this should be like, should be coming up on it in a few of them.
Yeah, it should be just up here somewhere where the river splits. Yeah, we took a couple of pictures and landmarks to try and remember where this place is because you can't really see it off this trail. So hopefully we'll find it. Alright. You got some snacks there, Bax? Bax had a very tiring hike out here. He refused to walk the entire way, so we had to carry him. So I'm knackered, and he's full of beans. Alright, so our plan of attack today is to get a couple more sticks for this shelter and put the tarp up. So let's get chopping.
Sitting right
I know, right? Like instantly get it better.
Yeah, this is awesome. It is. Because I didn't realize, I did realize how big it was, but I didn't realize how much shade it was.
So it's all the way to here, it's awesome. Alright, we got the fire going, haven't we, Bax? What's the time for now?
Beanie Weenies!
Beanie Weenies!
Yeah! The one who need a bed, you're laughing. Daddy, go!
Go what?
Daddy, fire! Fire! Fire's getting hot! Fire hot?
Fire
is hot.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. When Daddy, run! Quick! Let me just sing the whole way. Daddy, go! Woo. Oh! Daddy!
There's heat coming over. Length.
Yeah, it was still burning a second ago, so I got the fire.
I think that's a bad setup.
Yeah, no, that actually
We need
works really well. Sitting just like made it up as we went along.
My dudes. My dudes. My dudes. My dudes. My dudes.
Alright, welcome to Camp Beanie Weenies. We have the fire going. We got some steaks on here, we're just waiting for these beans to finish cooking up and then we're going to get the fire burning them a lot more so we can flame grill those steaks. Hot today, but we've already put the tarp up. Just simple tie downs. Half is just over there. So after we finished eating dinner, we're going to try and camouflage this up as best as we can. You hungry?
No.
You're not?
No.
I thought you wanted some Beanie Weenies.
No.
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 Oh dear.
Yeah.
You do?
No.
Oh.
Yeah.
You do?
No.
Oh.
Yeah.
No?
No.
No.
No. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no.
Yeah. No.
You're crazy.
Your mom is
Jovan's been tying these twine, it's kind of hard to see, I don't know if you can pick it up, twine across here. And what we're going to do is we're going to get some of these, kind of camouflage it because you can see it clear as day from the path over there, and we don't want any uninvited guests coming here and squatting squatters' rights. Alright, we're just about finished today. Well, the main thing we want to do is keep this thing camouflaged, so we use the palmetto leaves to cover this thing up. And from the pathway over there, looking over this way, you can see it, but it's pretty camouflaged. So yeah, we're pretty stoked on this. What do you think of the shelter, Bax? No. No? You've had enough now, haven't you? You want to go home? Mm-hmm. You're hot? No. You're dirty? No. You got a full nappy? Mm-hmm. You have. Alright, so we're going to head out of here now. We're going to stop by the river and give ourselves a quick freshen up. This kid wants to be carried the whole way, so yeah. That way. It's a leaf. What's the matter, bud? Can you see the Jeep yet?
Hey Baxter, do you ever say yes? I knew you'd say that.
We're almost home, buddy, and I got treats in the car. I got nice cold drinks, juice boxes, applesauce. Okay? You want some applesauce?
So excited.
Oh, Winston's got some energy still.
Not today, no.